I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrenches in my top drawer of my Snap-on box. I think I'm missing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pliers in my bottom drawer of my Snap-on box. Get ready to fix some cars. Get ready to fix. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? It's MJ100K. As you can see, I have a nail in my tire, so I'm going to show you real quick how to plug it. I like to use these tire plug kits. You can find these anywhere, AutoZone, or all over the place. They got them at Harbor Freight. I've always liked to use the plugs. There's another way you can do it, but it involves taking the tire off of the rim, and I don't have time for all that nonsense. So first I will fill the tire up with air. As you can see, I have an air compressor, but I'll fill it up to spec. Sometimes the hard part is actually finding the nail, but I found mine pretty easily. If the nail is gone, that makes it harder. So you'll have to fill it up and then spray the whole tire with some type of soapy compound. See, mine is easy. You can see it coming out. But if you can't find yours, you'll have to look all over the tire, the sidewall, the valve, everywhere. Anyway, I get the plug all ready, so I thread it into that little thread mechanism, or whatever that thing's called. I don't know. But I'll thread it in there, and then I'll cover it up with the little tire goop that it comes with. It's rubber cement or whatever compound they're using. Now grab my cutters, go ahead and pull the nail out. That little terrible nail ruined my day. Well, it wasn't ruined. I just drove my van to work instead. But yeah, so pull out the nail, and then you will use this reamer. And sometimes it's a little tough, so you got to put all your weight onto it sometime. But yeah, you'll get it in there eventually. Once you get it in there, you got to work it up and down a little bit. Not too hard. See, this is the part where it'll be easier if I was like 20 pounds heavier, but that's all right. It's in there now. There you go. I want you to hear it going in and out. So you pull it out. Now the air comes out. You got to hurry up, get it in there, get it in there. This is a matter of life and death. Oh my gosh, hurry. Hurry, Mike. There you go. There it is. Uh-oh. There you go. Get it all in there. Remember, it's already got the rubber cement on all over the side, so it's smushed in there. There we are. That's what you want to see. You got to pull out fast. Faster. There you go. Like a ninja. Like a mechanic ninja. Okay, here we go. Just get a little bit more. Just use it all up. Just goop it all over the place. Try to get it in there as much as you can. I've had a lot of luck with these type of plugs. I got a plug in my van that's been in there for like over 6 months and 10,000 miles. So these plugs work pretty good. I prefer them to the kind where you have to take the tire off. That just takes too much time. I think they like to do them at shops because then they could charge you to balance the tire too. But there you go. There you go. That's it. Under 2 minutes. Well, approximately. I don't know. This doesn't take that long though. The hard part sometimes is finding the leak if the nail's not in there. If you run over a staple, something with 2 sharp edges, you're out of luck. Because you can't put more than 1 plug in a tire. If you do, that is against the law. You will be arrested. I worked with a guy. He put 2 plugs in the tire. After work, state troopers came right to Pet Boys, took him right to jail. He's still in jail. He's serving a 5-year sentence for putting 2 plugs in 1 tire. So yeah, so I'll fill the tire up back to spec, which for my car is, I think it's 30 or 32. You'll find the spec on your door jamb, or you can look it up on Google. When you put the tire or the rim back on, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, farther. Just it's one and then the other one farther away, and you know, like a star. So that way it'll be on there nice and even. There you go. And use like a 24-inch breaker bar. All right, that's it. Bye. Have a nice day.